I'm excited, and you're going to benefit. Let me explain how. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson. If you've been checking your inbox in the last couple of days, you may have noticed more emails from me than normal. This is because I am excited. Excited about what we have accomplished since Keystone HDC was launched in 2012. We have been very fortunate to have been able to reach many hotels, resorts, inns, and bed and breakfasts worldwide and build connections. Over the years, we have received great feedback from properties who have benefited from our posts, videos, training tutorials, production of promotional and review videos, and the Hospitality Property School. And we would like to work with you. If you're looking for ways to increase your property's bookings and profits, we want to help you by sharing our Upgrade Your Success Special. We have combined some of our best products and are offering them to you at an incredible savings, or even possibly for free. The products are as follows. 1. The entire Guide to Operating an Independent Hotel or Bed and Breakfast training tutorials, which includes 63 easy-to-follow step-by-step video tutorials, 36 MP3s, 51 PDFs, 20 checklists, and 9 ebooks. The value for this program is $398. 2. Your own hospitality property promotional video. We will create for you an approximately 1-minute promotional video you can use to promote your property. You have the freedom to use it on your website, YouTube, or any other video platforms, social media, and at events. The value for this is $795. And 3. 6 months access to the Hospitality Property School Group. This membership group is designed to be beneficial to hospitality properties of all sizes and categories. Its value is $222. The investment of all the above could be worth tens of thousands of dollars for your property. But if you take advantage of the Upgrade Your Success Special, you'll get everything at a huge savings or even for free. Just give me a couple of minutes and I'll share with you what you'll get in more detail. See if you could benefit from what is being offered. 1. The Guide to Operating an Independent Hotel or Bed and Breakfast training tutorials. Before I explain what is included, I have a couple of questions for you. Do you own an independent hotel, resort, inn, or bed and breakfast? Do you feel like your property is taking up your whole life? Are you so busy that you can't find the time to do the things you need or want to do? Keystone HDC has solutions for you. This course is designed for serious owners of independent hotels, resorts, inns, or bed and breakfasts who wish to improve their bookings and patronage, while enjoying a fun and fulfilled life as a hotelier/innkeeper. The Guide to Operating an Independent Hotel or Bed and Breakfast training tutorials will show you more than just quick fix tactics, but instead how to develop successful long-term operation methods. We understand how busy you are, so we divided the course into 4 separate series. They include Series 1, Hospitality Property Organizational Structure. What is and how to develop your organizational strategy, management strategy. What does your operations manual include? How will I know my operations manual works? What is outsourcing? Series 2, Employee Development. Your people mindset, how to hire winners, can't afford employee training programs? Think again. How to train for success, effective communication, improve your customer service, how to handle customer complaints, educate to upsell, how to fire. Series 3, Marketing for your hospitality property success. And this series includes designing your marketing strategy, branding, what makes you stand out, creating an effective website, email and guest list building, how to use social media, customer giveaways, the benefit of newsletters, how to make surveys work for you. And Series 4, a close look at your independent hotel or bed and breakfast. How does your property compare? Become your own guest. Is your property accessible? Is your restaurant meeting its potential? How to get endless referrals. Negative reviews are good for business. Plus there are bonus tutorials including why my property should go green, trends to watch in the hospitality industry, hospitality property technology trends. These tutorials will help you stay 2 steps ahead of your competition. 2. Your own hospitality property promotional video. All you have to do is supply us with the images or videos that show your property in its best light, and we'll do the rest. We will create an approximate 1-minute video for you that will include your choice of an intro presenting your property's name, logo, or sign, 12 to 14 of your images or video clips that highlight your hospitality property and area, a variety of high-end image transitions, an outro with your contact information, your choice of background music genre, a sample script you can use to write your 150-word promotional video script, professional reading of your script, and upload to YouTube. And 3, 6-month access to the Hospitality Property School Group membership site. This group is a division of Keystone HDC and is designed to be beneficial to hospitality properties of all sizes and categories, from bed and breakfasts to inns to resorts to hotels. Within the group, you'll have the opportunity to ask questions, share best practices, promote your property, etc. Every month a video will be posted with updates and answers to questions. Every month new training tutorials will be added to the group. And they'll be categorized as followed: organizational structure, employee development, marketing for your hospitality property, and this will include using social media, and how to look at your hospitality property as a guest. We will share monthly interviews with hospitality property specialists on such topics as customer service, property management systems, guest services, website design, marketing, employee development, and much, much more. You will also have easy access to all the Hospitality Property School video podcast archives, as well as any new video podcasts as they are produced. I mentioned at the beginning of this episode that the value of the products are the entire guide to operating an independent hotel or bed and breakfast training tutorials are $398, your own hospitality property promotional video valued at $795, and the 6-month access to the Hospitality Property School Group membership site is valued at $222. That's a total value of $1,415. But we want you to benefit from all that I've shared for only $795. Now, I know this episode sounded like a huge sales pitch, but if you want to grow your business, increase your clientele, design the perfect organizational structure, develop your employees, market effectively, and learn how to see your property through the eyes of your guests, you can't afford not to check this out. This is a time-limited special, and we're not planning to offer it again. So get started right away by clicking the link below. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.